If you are watching this video, it means you are either a professional woodworker or have some household projects to complete throughout the year. So be happy because we have the 10 must-have tools just for you. Are you tired of getting burn marks on your rip cuts, no matter which brand of table saw you're using or how much you've spent on it? That's where the Woodpeckers Saw Gauge comes in handy. It's a tool made for all the professionals out there. This tool simply ensures accurate blade alignment. Plus, the saw gauge provides precise readings based on the center of the miter gauge slot. If there's an issue, the dial indicator will notify you easily. Not just that, this tool also offers clear and precise measurements of the distance between the slot and the blade. Additionally, you can use the Woodpeckers Saw Gauge to check for runout in the saw's arbor. When it comes to professional woodworking, many enthusiasts still prefer hand saws over battery-operated tools for their precision and control. So here's a robust and durable handsaw from Octopus Tools. First thing you'll love about the saw is it comes with an easy start feature. Plus, it has superfine 13 TPI cutting teeth, which ensure faster and easier cuts without damaging the edges. The saw also includes 8 TPI coarse center teeth that let you make razor-sharp cuts through thicker materials. One of the standout features of the Ox handsaw is its tough-coated blade. This coating helps to reduce heat, drag, and expansion, significantly enhancing the saw's durability and lifespan. Moreover, the Ox handsaw is equipped with an ergonomically designed Ox grip handle that provides exceptional comfort and control in every cut. Well, don't go by its name. This tool might be your next go-to sanding solution. The best thing about this compact manual sander is it comes with both small and medium-sized surfaces. Plus, it allows you to change sandpapers in seconds, which makes it versatile for different materials. Another cool part of the tool is it lets you detach the knob for a better grip or attach the sander to long poles for reaching high places. What else anyone can ask from it? Are you seeking a way to level up your woodworking projects? Say hello to the Kreg Multipurpose project blocks. How do they work? These blocks simply lift your materials above the work surface, but that's not all they can do. They come with clever features that will enhance your projects. For instance, they have retractable painting points. Just twist the block and you're ready to apply paint. Sounds too good to hear. Well, these project blocks are an ingenious way to elevate your materials, and you don't have to worry about their holding capacity. All you need to do is just place your workpiece on top and start sanding, painting, or whatever else you want. Greenworks SKU 2014002AZ chainsaw. If you're one of those who just hates to use tools that produce gas and fumes, then this Greenworks chainsaw is the ideal solution for you. This handy tool is here to eliminate all those hassles. This chainsaw features a 16-inch bar and chain, making it easy to cut through thick trees and wood logs. It provides more torque, operates quietly, and has a longer tool life. The best part is its instant start mechanism, which means no more cord pull starting. Additionally, the Greenworks chainsaw delivers power equivalent to a 45cc gas chainsaw, enhancing your productivity. Plus, its battery can make up to 115 cuts on a single charge, so you won't have to abandon large projects. Introducing the WORKPRO 6-in-1 staple gun. This versatile tool is compatible with various staples and nails, making it a reliable choice for any stapling project. Just load the staples into the magazine and start working. The rubberized grip ensures comfort, allowing you to complete tasks without fatigue. Plus, the patented driving mechanism minimizes jamming, saving you time and effort. Still not convinced? Then the staple gun has something more for you. It comes with both high and low power modes, which will allow you to choose the right level of power for different materials, whether hard or soft. So, are you ready to get one for yourself? Let me introduce you to the Bosch Easy CurvSander 12. Despite its small size, this little sander is surprisingly handy and compact. It comes with 3 movable discs that adapt perfectly to different curves, rotating constantly until your project is complete. And here's the fun part. You can change the sanding accessories in a blink of an eye. That means you can tackle various surfaces with ease, expending no extra time. What's more, this tiny tool produces minimal vibration and less noise and features a dust extraction process for a cleaner workspace. Whether you're sanding curves or flat surfaces, the Bosch CurvSander maintains top quality results every time. Sand curve by curve with ease. Have you ever used a scroll saw that can cut in 2 different directions? If not, let us introduce you to the WEN 3920 16-inch scroll saw. It's perfect for intricate and artful cuts. You can easily adjust the speed of the scroll saw anywhere between 550 and 1600 strokes per minute with just a turn of a knob. Thanks to its cast iron base, it prevents vibration in walking, even during the most demanding applications. The 3920 also features a hold-down foot clamp to secure your project in place and a flexible work light that bends and adjusts in any position. Trust the saw, it will surely impress you. Are you looking to upgrade your stock cutting process? If yes, then consider the Reekon M1 CALIBER. It's a versatile measuring tool with a patent-pending design that easily clamps to almost any type of saw fence, ensuring consistent and accurate cuts every time. Simply clamp the caliber onto your saw fence, release the arm, and turn on the device. The arm will automatically adjust your materials and provide precise measurements with pinpoint accuracy. Not just that, the M1 CALIBER displays results in individual measuring units, allowing for seamless transitions between different jobs while maintaining precise accuracy. It's a simple yet powerful tool that will revolutionize your cutting experience. At the end of the list, we have the M12 Fuel Jigsaw from Milwaukee. This tool is made to provide you with the ultimate power and precision. It equips with a heavy-duty brushless motor that delivers an impressive 3,000 strokes per minute, so you can easily cut through finished materials. With a standard stroke length and a compact, low-vibration barrel grip, you can achieve clean cuts from any angle. The orbital action offers 5 settings for tackling different tasks, and the toolless blade change simplifies setup changes. Plus, integrated LED lighting and an on-demand dust blower ensure maximum visibility of the cut line for perfect results every time. So that's all! Thanks for watching our video! We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time!